Okay, first step, you just take normal water here and put on any soap, any soap that is washable. For this one I use just soap that used to wash shirts. Okay, next we need something sharp to erase it. Something sharp. Okay, this one can and this one can. So, and last one we need this one, sandpaper. Okay, we'll meet you there. So right now all of this thing, so right now we just take all of this stuff, and I choose to not open this one because just let it be like that and just insert inside here. Okay, then we try to eliminate, wash with this one, wash with this one. After all of the rusty things came out, we'll meet you there. Okay, we have finished the first wash. After this we clean up this and we'll see you there. So this is what it looks like after our first wash. After this we let it dry and we burn it. Okay, so before burn it, I guess we must take off this one to avoid the plastic part being burnt too. Okay, so I just can open these two, and the other I cannot open it because too hard, so we will burn all of this metal part. Use this if we burn this one. After it's burned, I will show you. It will be look much darker because of the carbon.
Pilih kasih sifat yang boleh kata biasa, biasa juga bagi makhluk yang bernama manusia. Hei, lupakan saja segala sengketa lama, kerana ku tahu mu hanya mahu bahagia. Ku bersyukur padamu atas segala-galanya, kerana kini ku fahami sebabnya. Ku bersyukur.
What about if we use more easier way, to burn this stuff? After finish, we'll see you there. Okay, this is our first example. Wait up, I zoom in. It's dark, isn't it? Okay, after this dark, we will try using the sandpaper to erase it, and we'll see the result. Okay, and we'll see the result. Okay, I thought it is just a simple project, but this one is still hot, but I need to erase it right now, and I use this one to hold it and use this one as to erase it. You see this? It's almost like sandpaper because of the grip that we have. So we will use this to erase this one. Okay, we'll see there. Okay, and finally we are done. Make this beautiful again, and we can play as usual. Okay, nice. Wait up. Nice. Okay, now it's back, so let's give a cut. Let's see my luck. Almost. But well, that's all for the video. So that's all for the video. I hope you enjoyed this video, but it's already getting darker now, and I really hope all of these DIY videos will be beneficial for all the viewers, so that you can learn to do it yourself despite of buying new one, because we want all of our team fight with us until the last of their breath. Upon that, my name is Muhammad Rafiq bin Razan, and right now in Kuala Lumpur, Negeri Sembilan, and we'll see you in the next video. Peace out. Thank you for watching this video, and thank you and always thank you. Rakam terakhir, jangan sesekali kau lupakan. Selalu rehat, jangan biar diri terbeban. Doakan selalu insan yang jaga kalian. Ku harap semua faham, kerana ini hanyalah pesanan. Ku bersyukur padamu